Hello everyone! Today I will show you how you can log out of your Twitter account, or you can say X account. This process will work for both Android and iOS, so you don't have to worry about your device. First, you need to open your Twitter app and log into your Twitter account. And after logging in, you will see this interface. Now, from your top left corner, you need to tap on your profile picture logo. Now, as you can see, this side menu pops up, and from here, you need to tab Settings and Support, and then you need to select Settings and Privacy. After that, you will see these interfaces, and from here, you need to select your account. From here, you will see a bunch of options where you can customize your account, but we need to select account information in this video, so after selecting account information, you will see information regarding your Twitter account. But we need to log out of our Twitter account. So for that, we need to select the Logout button from the bottom. After tapping the Lockout button, you will see a confirmation that asks whether you are sure about your decision. You just simply select Logout from this option. And yeah, that's it. That's how you log out of your Twitter or X account. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.